stitch cast on any number of stitches. So here I cast on the stitches like this. This is base row. We just slip one, purl all the stitches. Like this. Here we have first stitch. This also we purl. This one also we purl like this. For one, we slip one, and see we have hole. Insert the needle, pull up the loop. This one we just slip. Do the same to the every stitch. So we insert the needle, see, and slip. Insert the needle, see, like this from here, and slip. Insert the needle, slip. So we have this one, see, and slip. At the end of the row, here we have 2 stitch. From this 2 stitch, we also do this. Okay, come on. Okay, so we get the stitch, see, and also slip the stitch. At the end of the row, we have just 1 stitch. This one we just purl 4 edges like this. Row 2, we slip this one and purl this, slip it and loop 2 stitch together. We purl 2 stitch together. See, 2 stitch together, 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 together. Till end of the row, we do the same. So for this stitch, we just purl row 1 and repeat row 1 and 2. See, neat.